If you've been looking for the ultimate detailing chair or stool for your garage, be it for work or for home, this is the one on Amazon's Prime Day. You're gonna wanna listen up. I've got one and they're amazing. The two products I'm gonna talk about today by Vyper Industrial, they'll be in the links below in the description. You're gonna wanna click on them because the deal is unbelievably amazing. Like, I am a big Vyper fan. I have bought their chair and I have their fan right up there. I paid full price for these, and right now on Amazon Prime Day, 2 of their different chairs or stools is on sale. Now you have the Vyper Low Pro garage stool with a removable seat. So when you see here in the picture, it is shorter, and what's really good about it is that when you're polishing vehicles on the lower panels or applying ceramic or doing whatever, doing wheels, they are nice and low. Check out the link in the description for the specs. I believe from floor to seat height is 17 inches, which is a good distance from the floor to the seat when you're doing wheels, especially so you don't hurt your back. And the construction and the materials of this particular brand and this Low Pro stool, the seat material is it's soft and firm. It can be both at the same time, and it's supportive. And if you have a wider rear end, this particular stool is rectangular, so it's going to fit you better. Now, on this stool, the top of the frame or the seat pops off, and you can use it as a kneeling pad. And it's really amazing because Vyper never goes on sale this deep at 20% off. So it's normally $450, it's now $360 during Prime Day, and they ship it for free, right? So definitely take a look at it. However, the only thing is they're only putting on Prime for red. So if you like red, if red goes in your garage, or if you want a pop of color in your garage, go for the red. Red, black, the casters are great. They lock, they roll super well. Very, 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 very high quality. I highly recommend. I'm sitting on my Vyper chair right now. Now the other one that's also on sale for $450, from $450 to $360, you can tell I'm super excited. I'm actually debating about buying another one, is the Vyper Robust Steel Pro. Now this one is more of your traditional circular seated base item. It has a tray on the bottom, and just like the other stool, it has a tray on the bottom. So you can put your detail brushes in there, and if some small products or things like that as you're rolling around the car. The same great fabric, the density of the foam in the seats. Honestly, this entire the company stools by Vyper are made in America, and when you open the box, you're going to feel the quality. Clearly, I highly recommend these, and at 20% off at $360 for their stool, it is totally worth it. Now, everything in my garage you can tell is gray, some form of gray and or black. This pop of blue at $360, they don't have the red or I think the black available. However, blue's pretty good. I like the blue. My car is blue, so it actually would look pretty nice. So between being 20% off, made in America, Prime Day, and shipped to you for free, I think this is pretty much a no-brainer. Yes, is it expensive? Absolutely. $360 for a stool in your garage is a lot of money even after the sale price. However, once you get it in your hands, once you put it in your garage, and you just look and you feel the quality and it's made in the USA, I think you're going to change your mind. It's totally worth it. So look in the description below. The links are there. Get that 20% off. Get the free shipping. Made in America. There's really no negative about this purchase. The colors are standard and they're still really, really good. If you have any questions about Vyper products like their fan or their more expensive seats or stools, drop a link and drop a comment below. Tell me what you're sitting on, if you think it's good, bad, or indifferent. And would you pay $360 on sale for something made in the US? super high quality, and shipped for free. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.